Shake him. Shake him.
What's that from?
The dread guy.
Shake him, man! Shake him! Shake him, man! Come on, shake him!
Shake him.
Shake him, come on now.
Try.
My neck hurts. I want to stop.
I've got a billion things to do. It'll never be ready before Jason's pals arrive. Can you please help
This game
me?
came out in
There should be
2010.
plates in the living
Old
room.
ass game.
Okay.
No problem, leave it to me.
Yes. Doesn't look that bad.
I bet you money you have no clue what she just said to do. What she just asked you to go do? What did you just say okay to?
Why am I being attacked right now?
Ethan.
Look, see?
I thought I asked you to take care of the
Hey!
plates.
Let me remind the dumbass
They're in the
player.
living room cupboard, right?
Oh, I forgot.
I was like, ooh, grapes.
Damn!
Hey, Ethan, you said you were going to be careful.
I'm sorry, I'll be more gentle.
You're getting beat tonight. Oh, it's over.
Well, you see how there's no. You see how it's not like. You see how there's no. It's a solid line. I mean, you'd have to slow down.
Shake him, shake him, shake him.
Shut up. That's the nastiest combo. Coffee, then immediately orange juice.
Coffee and orange juice. What was so good? Right when you said that.
Alright, Jason, let's do the helicopter.
Whoa.
We're gonna make a bad joke.
What were you gonna say?
Get his weenie out and start.
No son of mine would enjoy this.
Well, that's because he'd be about 3 feet off the floor.
Oh, here's
Sean?
bite that off.
What's up?
It's Merlin.
Crushed it.
He's dead.
I put him in a textbook and slammed it shut in.
No, it's not, Sean. Of course it's not your fault. It's time for your snack. Are you hungry?
I guess, a little.
Let's see what we can find in the kitchen.
Oh, they're gonna bad.
I tried telling you, my boy. Imagine doing this, everyone's looking at you like you're a retard.
What is this?
You're playing.
Oh.
I hope it cuts to someone looking at you. It does.
I'm embarrassed now. I'm embarrassed.
What is this white boy doing?
I can't wait for 2011. Let's get the files.
Pull out CP.
Beep, 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 beep. Oh
A late?
no. No.
Newport. For you, anything.
This is you at the boba job when you get it.
Feeling the ridges.
I could see that actually.
Chewing nothing.
Chewing Thompson.
There's no gum in his mouth. There's no gum. Yeah, just chewing the rot off your teeth.
Oh no, I'm dead. I'm dead. It's gonna happen. My face is itchy. I gotta pause it. W.
Hey man, watch it!
What's happening?
Stop that guy!
Pounce.
Could have been it right there.
Hey man, what's your problem?
Which one of these people could it be?
Which one of them?
I need to observe all of them.
You know what's something funny, Lynn?
Oh.
Yesterday I was looking at Instagram with Alex on the phone.
Oh dang.
I'd want to kill myself so bad.
Oh yeah, use a match. That'll work.
Glass. Broken glass.
Broken glass.
Impossible to go back.
The schmuggy indicators. Oh, I'm dead.
Joe, what are you doing?
You told me to go. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead.
There's nowhere to go over there.
Oh. Back it up, back it up.
I'm just kidding.
What? No, no, no. No, there's dirt, there's dirt. I thought there was
You
more.
didn't see the turn?
No, stop it! Stop it!
Elaine, I don't want to watch anymore.
No.
Stop!
Elaine, why are you turning around again?
It's the camera.
Oh, Alex, did I do that a lot?
together,
Like,
Ethan.
like
Come
not
on.
when it would change camera angles. Would I like turn around when I play?
You did it like a couple times, I think, but not as much as Elaine.
You're making my man die. You're making my man playing glass right now. This is fucking so bad to watch.
You know what this like tunnel thing reminds me of?
What?
It reminds me of
No, 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 no!
what the
fucking
fuck,
good.
I
Elaine?
don't want to go back. I don't want to go back.
It reminds me of those like furnaces slash like incinerators.
That's what we were just talking about.
Yeah.
What is happening? Can I not go in there?
Yes, you can go there. It's the only way out.
I'm trying, I'm trying. I'm a 50-year-old man.
Apparently, what's wrong with you?
Has dementia, doesn't know which way to
Just
go.
press W.
I'm pressing it right now. Unless
I
it's...
will- You might-
completely backwards.
Is this the starter lane?
Like,
No, 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 no. No, there's no way. No, there's no way. There's no way.
Elaine, are we in the start right now?
I think we are.
I think so too, actually.
No, there's no way. There's no way. If there's a
There's-
butterfly,
Pause it. Pause it. How did you manage
there's no way. There's no way.
to go to the How did you? You might be the first person in the whole wide world.
No, there's no
I
way.
can't fucking begin.
No, we'll see if there's a butterfly.
Dude, there's be a
Oh.
fucking butterfly up here. There's going to be a butterfly.
Elaine. Oh damn. How did you even manage?
I don't know. Whoa,
Turn around. Turn around.
I can't watch this.
Turn around, Elaine.
I'm turning.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, the
No.
body right there. No, fucking no. That's literally the truth. Go straight.
Oh, straight?
This is crazy. This is crazy.
I'll look away for like 2 seconds, Elaine's going
Where's
back
the
to the
body?
beginning.
It's right in front of you.
Those are
You
bricks.
jumped.
Those are bricks. One more time. Okay, now you turn.
Elaine, oh my goodness.
Straighten up. Straighten up.
This is like pain. It's like making me painful.
No, I
Elaine,
didn't. I
where
pressed
is she
straight. I
going?
pressed- Oh no, it flipped me. It flipped me. It flipped me. I didn't-
Alright, Elaine. Which way do you think it is?
Let's ask the match.
I bet it's right.
Well, I bet it's right too. Oh,
It says left. Left.
what?
The wind is pushing the flame to the right. So the wind is coming from the left.
Go ahead.
See, Alex believes me because he's silent. Wait, maybe there's a turn. Maybe there's a turn or
Dead
something.
end. I'm gonna die in here if I don't find a way out soon.
Fucking- What's wrong with you?
I don't like his fucking voice.
What is wrong? No, fuck the game. We're not talking about the game right now. What is wrong with you?
Oh, there it is.
Elaine, you could've just looked to your right and saw a light.
We'll cut it out for the video.
No, you better
We'll
keep
cut
all
it.
this. In. This is gonna be the fan favorite part. Oh my gosh, he has top scars. Wait.
Oh my god, this game is so progressive.
Oh, this game sucks.
Music really bad.
I wouldn't mind. Never mind.
Yes.
Quick! Quick! Ethan, quick! It's gonna hit us!
I'm gonna kill them both in one go. Oh, my game crashed. Oh, he's good.
Oh, he ate that and left no crumbs.
You've gone too
Elaine's
far.
favorite.
Oops. Don't look at me.
He looked at the camera like, what are you doing?
Don't.
8, 9,
Oh, you look good, too,
11,
When I did this, I started counting like in fives.
Well, I'm trying to play by the rules.
15,
Aw.
16, 20.
What if an achievement came over right now and said bitch ass?
I'm in this far.
I did this too, but I was like, oh, I wasted more time in on the water thing. He said it's more fun.
Alex, close your eyes. Oh dang.
Alex, baby, turn off the go watch Bluey. Keep watching. We doing stuff right now. We doing stuff. Go ahead, audience. Leave a comment if this got you rich.
Leave a comment if your pants are off right now. Oh my bum.
Lauren! No! No!
We're in the future now.
We smoke with vapes and puffins.
Oh dang. Cut her freaking thing. Oh god. I just
Oh my god, you killed her? No, he's gonna go back down. There's no fucking way you really just let her die like that.
I thought the prompt.
That's crazy, you killed her.
I thought.
Oh my god, you fucking killed her.
No. Audience, look away.
That's
look away.
crazy!
No,
I
look
didn't
away.
think you
Look away.
could- Oh my gosh. In a lake?
Oh, you know how to do these little dogs too.
Oh my goodness, that.
Loved origami.
I
I
thought
don't
Elaine was
know how to
making a
do it.
voice.
There is a deadly poison in this file. It will kill you in exactly 60 minutes. If you drink it, you will get the last letters of the address.
I feel like I have to. I can't solve it without getting the last clue. I'm dead. Goodbye. What?
That's how you're gonna...
What the heck
That
is
shit
that?
is... that was it.
That's my
That
hand.
shit's vague as fuck. I watched a clip right one time, right here. They just killed him.
Really? Like
Yeah, I watched a clip.
overdoses?
Yeah, I watched a clip where like it was this part of the game and he went he just fucking fell and just
My god.
is here.
Oh, one last thing, sir. You should be careful not to overindulge in you know what.
Shut the fuck up.
What's geoanalysis compared to analysis?
Oh, I'm dead.
it took too long. What's happening?
Am I gonna?
Did you kill him?
It took too long.
What?
You fucking suck at this game.
No.
You killed him! Yeah, I got, wow, that's a, you know I told you I saw someone kill him like that? I guess that's what I saw.
Well, they should have made it clear. There's like a time.
They did.
Oh,
They did. I don't know if you noticed, but in the background, did you see the storm that was brewing as you took longer?
was it? Was it?
In the background, it's all calm in like the little woodland area you were in, and the longer you were taking, the storm was going.
I didn't know
It was like,
Well, first is
Don't
the
blame the
prompts.
game.
First is the prompts.
no,
next is the
bud.
background.
I'm sorry. It's just not. It's just not the game. It's not. It's just not the game's fault.
What's his motive though? He seems so cool. Dang, who is it?
Huh. I don't remember her. I don't remember ever seeing her. Huh.
Oh well.
I saw a clip where she fucking burned to death in here.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh god. What's happening? I wouldn't be this.
The window.
Oh, window.
Dude, you suck at this.
Oh my bum. I'm okay.
Hide in the fridge. Are you hiding under there? With the explosion? Get in the fucking fridge. That's where I'd hide.
Gonna slam him back in his head.
He tries to because he knocks himself out. Go away!
Oh!
What do you mean, oh dang? What do you fucking? What else could you be looking at?
You succeeded.
Who's the fourth guy?
You're the father that I have been looking for all these years. The man capable of giving his own
Who's the
life
fourth
to
thing?
save his.
You
I
got
could
what you
have sworn
wanted.
it was 3.
I finished
Oh,
your trials.
sorry. He's gonna be right in front of you. Oh, never mind. Oh,
What prompt was that? Oh, oh. I should have took the.
oh you're so fucking lucky. You really... Dude, what game are you playing when I'm watching you? There's no way you're playing this.
This is way different from my fault.
Oh, hey, hey, hey.
Well, how would you rate my thing compared to his?
I think it's a lot better.
What? No. Did he die for you?
Oh, he didn't get shot for me. No, you know why? Because Norman Jaden dropped and pointed a gun at Mr. Sheldon. Oh, cool.
Oh my bum. Oh, I almost messed it up. I pressed the W key. I pressed W.
The origami
I
killer.
think so too.
The successful resolution of this case was made
That's the
possible
picture they use?
by the murder of Ethan.
Let's have a threesome.
With the kid?
Huh?